Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fun little Valentine's Day tutorial using the Colourpop Ooh Lala palette. I adore this palette. I am starting with my face already done, so make sure you check out the link in my down bar for my color correcting and foundation routine. I am starting out with this gorgeous baby pink soft core, and I'm going to apply that right above my crease using a fluffy brush, and this is actually the Elizabeth Mott blending brush. And I'm also going to drag this along my lower lash line and connect it up because I want a very defined eyeshadow point on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with the shade Poodle, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going in with a denser brush. This is the BH Cosmetics Pro 3 brush, and I'm going to start applying that mostly in my crease and blending it up to really connect with the previous color. And as you can see, dragging it along my lower lash line, connecting it out so I can really get that gorgeous eyeshadow winged look. And then of course, blend, 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 blend forever. Using Sandbar, which is this amazing hot pink shade, I'm going to go in with a very small crease brush. This is the MUA 315 crease brush, and this I'm going to apply directly into my crease and on the outer corner of my eye and really just buff it out. What I like to do to ensure a really nice blend is to go in with a bit of the previous color on the previous brush and just blend everything out. Next up is Trove, which is a little bit more of a red shade, and I'm actually just going to be using that same MUA Crease 315 brush and really buff this along my lower lash line on the outer third of my eye and up a little bit into my crease, and this is where you're really going to start to see a lot of the crease definition coming in here. And then finally taking Caddy and just applying this again with the same brush, really just on the outer third of my eye up into the crease a little bit. Using the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer in the shade 10 Fair, I'm going to apply that onto my lid to start carving out my cut crease, and I'm just using a little synthetic angled brush that I picked up from the drugstore. Now that my crease is cut out, I'm going in with this gorgeous shade Tickled. It's kind of like a pearlescent pink, and this is just a little short shader brush, and I'm patting this right onto where I just put the concealer, and I did not set the concealer. I'm also going back in with a bit of that darker purple shade Opulent to really redefine the top of that cut crease. Moving on to the wing, I'm using the Makeup Revolution liquid liner and just really hoping I don't mess this up because I haven't done a wing in forever. This is my favorite pair of iconic London lashes. I don't know the style, but I love these for kind of that flirty, sultry look, which is what we're going for here on Valentine's Day. Once the eyelash glue has set, I'm going in with the Stila Huge Mascara just to blend my natural lashes in with the falsies. And yeah, really defining the lower lashes because you're going for that dramatic look. This is the Pixi by Petra Pixiglow in the shade Pink Champagne, and I'm actually going to be using this for my contour slash bronzer as well as my blush because I think the tones just go really well together. my highlight is going to be the Becca Prismatic Amethyst highlighter, and I'm actually using a Real Techniques setting brush for this because I think it just gives you a really nice pop of highlight and beautiful color. I'm using my tried and true Benefit Gimmie Brow in the shade 4 for my brows, and I just love how feathery they look after using this product. And then finally for lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Griselda and really just blotting this on because I don't want to go super dark. So this is the final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Valentine's Day as well. If you haven't already, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you liked it. And make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.